Following the High Court's decision, the South Goa District Administration on Monday razed down the remaining 8 structures of the 74 that were earmarked for the demolition and removed all the debris. According to the South Goa collector, another 300 shanties in Vasco could also be demolished soon.
In a massive exercise undertaken by the South Goa District Administration, which saw a strong police force, trucks and bulldozers and municipal workers, the 8 illegal concrete structures that had earlier obtained a stay from the High Court were finally razed down. Action was initiated soon after the court directed the authorities concerned to complete their demolition drive. The trail of debris that was left after the demolition was also collected by the workers. The action was initiated under the supervision of South Goa Collector Venancio Furtado in the presence of Deputy Collector Subdivisional Magistrate Marmagaon Gaurish Sankhwalkar and other officials. Elaborate arrangements were made by the administration to carry out the exercise on Monday. Mr. Furtado gave us further details about the drive.
तसंच जो डेब्रिस आसा तो डेब्रिस कांय मातसो 1 मीटर तरी खोल आसतलो की तातूंत जो कचरो आसा बिचाचेर आसा तो सगळो आमी आतां थंयच्यान निवळ करतले आनी फुडें WRDचे जे आसात इंजिनियर ते आतां तेंचे रिस्टोरेशनचें काम स्टार्ट करतले.
Addressing newsmen at Ravindra Bhavan, Baina, Mr. Furtado asserted that action would be initiated against another 300-odd illegal shanties along the Baina beach to Katem Baina following necessary formalities. He said that after the demolition of the remaining structures, they would like to restore the beach.
Baina beach to Kate Baina, जी illegal असतात ती सगळी रिमूव करचीच पडटली कारण उदकाची पातळी आतां वाडत आसा. काल सुद्दां 2 घरांचे वणटी पडल्यो. शेनवारा गांव वचून आयला जो क्रॉस जो आशिल्लो तो मोडून दर्याक व्हांवत गेला. थंय लोकांनी घरां अक्षरशः सोडलेली आसात, फक्त जाळां भरून दवरलेली आसात. सो तशें तर वाडत रावले तसो सायक्लोनाचो आमकां मदीं मदीं धोको आसता. सो ते सगळे पयलेले ह्या बिचार जे पळय चालू आसा ते आमकां काडचेच पडटले. जे पळय आमी केला की आनी 300 तर घरां आसतलीं पूण ती घरां म्हणल्यार हांव घरां म्हणना कित्याक ते 1.5 बाय 2 2 बाय 2 अशे बारीक बारीक ते शंटीज म्हळ्यार हट्स अशें करून आनी म्हाका चड करून दिसता की तातूंत इलेक्ट्रीक कनेक्शनाक 300 ना इल्लिगलीच आसा. कोणें आजुनूय म्हजे कडेन एकूय डॉक्युमेंट हाडून दिवना की आपूण लिगली त्या जाग्यार त्या ओनरा कडच्यान NOC बी घेवन रावता म्हणून. फर्स्ट फेजाचे 75 घरांचेर काडून ते आमचें रिस्टोरेशन कशें जाता तें आमकां पळोवपाक जाय पयलीं. एकदम सगळ्यांक आमी मोडत गेले आनी आमचें फुडलें काम जालेंच ना जाल्यार फाल्यां अशें जातलें की आमी तांकां जबरदस्तीन काडले. आमची तशी इच्छा ना.
He further said that he would submit his report to the government over the illegal tapping of electricity to these shanties. He said that the electricity department would have to conduct an inquiry how these shanties were getting electricity.
Houses were having a electric connection, so it's not that I am taking action against the electricity department now. Inquiry will have to be conducted by electricity department only. It will be informed like at the time of demolition we have seen so and so is the thing. My report, whatever I have seen and whatever I have done, will go in the report of the government. Then the government will take further steps.